Hello and welcome to my video on creating your first React project. I'll be guiding you through the process of setting up a new React project from scratch. First, let's talk a bit about what React is and why it's such a popular tool for building web applications. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces developed by Facebook. It allows developers to create reusable UI components that can be combined to build complex, dynamic interfaces with ease. To get started with React, you'll need a few tools and technologies. Firstly, you'll need to have Node.js installed on your computer, which comes with the npm package manager. You'll also need a text editor like Visual Studio Code, which is a popular choice among web developers. In this video, we'll be using the Create React App tool to set up a new React project quickly and easily. This tool provides a pre-configured development environment with all the necessary dependencies and configurations, so you can get started with React right away without having to worry about setting up a complex build system. You can also change the sentence on the page easily. Change to "This is my first React app," then save the file. Go to browser. Ta-da! Already updated.